Miss Jennifer, preschool specialist with the Bloomington Parks and Recreation Department's Banneker Community Center. On Thursdays, I'm sharing fun snacks you can make with your kids. Today, let's make tortilla snowflakes. It's sort of like a craft that becomes a snack because the kids get to cut out the snowflakes. The easiest way is to give your child some small, clean scissors, but you could also try it with a butter knife. Thanks for joining me today. Check the Banneker Facebook page tomorrow for a Physical Friday activity. Bye, friends.